Welcome to Pencil Art Teen. In this video, I drew Kim Seok Jin from BTS, the last member I will be drawing to complete our BTS sketch collection. If you wish to watch the process for sketching any of the other members, click on the tab above, or simply visit my channel now. This sketch took me less than 2 hours to finish and came out a lot better than I had expected. Please watch the whole video to see the steps needed and really appreciate the way I got to my desired outcome. Here, I am making a very rough outline of his face shape, showing where his eyes, nose, and mouth are going to be. I also made a faint outline of where his very thick hair would be. During the times I was sketching the BTS members, I learned that it is very important to be able to control your proportions and actually fit everything you want to see in your canvas. You can't have one eye bigger than the other, or have only half of the face on the canvas, unless that is what is shown on your reference picture. Because if not, then it would not look like the way you might want it to, or how you might have envisioned it. It is helpful to make a rough outline ahead of time in order to determine where you should be placing everything and how big they should be. If you have completed that step correctly, you should be able to envision what he would look like in the end and say, "Hey, it already looks like him." Once you have convinced yourself and are satisfied with the outline, it should be smooth sailing from there. Just use your techniques in shading and blending to really finish off the look. In the next video, I will be giving a very simple guide talking about the proper way of shading and blending with a pencil for beginners. So subscribe now if you have not yet done so you will be notified once a new video is up. If you have any suggestions for me regarding future videos or content, please do say so in the comments below. To watch the individual tutorials for each of the facial features, click on the tab above or visit my channel to get to my How to Draw playlist. There, you will find all of the videos needed for sketching the eyes, nose, lips, and even the eyebrows. Jin's hair here is a very light shade of brown, so I tried to go very lightly with my strokes and just went over it again with my pencil to really highlight and identify each strand of hair. For more highlight, make some similar strands of hair by using a small eraser this time. I used the eraser provided on the end of my pencil. in the end, you should be able to see some depth to your sketch, and it should look like an actual human being. Another reason as to why I was so pleased with this sketch was because once I had finished my sketch and was taking a final picture of it, the camera automatically focused on my sketch, recognizing it as a human face and had a box centering Jin's face. You know you did well when even a camera recognizes your sketch. Try it out. However, of course, this takes a lot of practice and precision to achieve. So do not pressure yourself too much, and remember that as long as you really want it, you can make it. So this is the final outcome of my Kim Seok Jin sketch. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new from it. Please do not forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Until then,